Guys, just shooting this first. Doing a revisit here of the auto body and paint, where they came out and got aggressive with Johnny Sinclair 9. So here's the location of you guys. Auto shop and paint 529. Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Where are you guys recording?
What's up?
Why are you guys recording?
Oh, we're just doing some public story right now.
It's for the what?
We're doing a story. We're working on a story. We're working on a story, ma'am.
On a story?
Yeah.
But why this business?
I can't answer any more questions, ma'am. Sorry.
Well, can I get your business card?
No, thank you.
Okay, then you guys can be recording.
Why not?
I mean, do you guys have permit?
Of course we have a permit.
Can I see it?
It's called the freedom of the press. I don't need any type of
It's the what, I'm sorry?
The freedom of the press. You know anything about the First Amendment?
Yeah, but you guys are recording inside.
It doesn't matter. If it's open to my eyes, anybody can record anything that's open to your eyes. It's just like I could record you because you're in public, but it's not like you're at home inside your house.
And what's the story for? What is the story about?
I don't have time to explain that. You're taking away from my story right now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
The more I stand here and explain to you, the more time I'm going to lose and I don't hear that conversation.
It's okay. Huh?
So she wants me to stand here and explain to her what we're doing. It really just takes away from what we're out here to accomplish. So I think the guy that came out on the phone last time. And this is back up the live. See how they feel about us being out here today, since Johnny's not by himself. They might not approach him as aggressive as they did last time. Looks like everybody's behaving themselves, guys. What else can we say about that? But that wasn't the case when Downey was out here the other day by himself. They came out like wildfire and ready to go hands-on. Either that or they learned, right? Maybe somebody told them to stop acting the fool. parque though. Two cars, actually, just a couple.
What's up, my friend? How much today?
Told the lady, you want to call the cops? And whatever her response was, he told her, yeah, just go ahead and call.
We don't want problems. Somebody's problem.
Man, they're not acting so tough today, are they? I know.
Pegadito a la cara, güey.
Do you have a
Back
badge?
up, man. Back up.
Do you
Keep
have a
your
badge, my
distance,
friend?
dude.
Do you have a badge?
Keep your distance.
Do you have a
I
badge?
didn't approach anybody, man. Back up.
I'm just asking.
Nobody's approaching you, dude. I'm warning you to back up, dude.
I want to know what's going on.
You don't need to know who I am, man. What the hell's wrong with you guys?
What's wrong with you guys, man?
What's wrong with you guys,
Why you
man?
guys been here for a couple
bothering
days?
us.
Hey, nobody's putting a camera in your face, man. Nobody approached you and put a
Might
camera in
as
your
well.
face. Don't
You
act the
put the
fool.
camera-
Yeah,
Don't
you've been
fool.
standing out here for a while.
Don't act the fool, man.
You've been standing here for a while, so what are
It
you
doesn't
doing?
matter. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
it matters. This is a private.
Just how you have the right to be here as well, man. Take all the pictures you want. Post it online. You guys are ridiculous. Look at this
Oh,
crap, man.
ridiculous. Huh?
Why are you guys over
I
here
came
in
in
the
a
first
person.
place?
Said
Show
the
us
back
Man,
why
don't
we're
put the
nice
camera in
tattoo,
my
brother.
face,
Being
dude.
too
Nice
much.
tattoo.
You guys coming by the last time and again?
You
And
want
last
to
time
get
I
one
came
too?
and I tell this man, the deaf guy,
What's the purpose
Yeah,
of this?
yeah.
I
What's
tell
the
him to.
purpose?
tell him
Hey,
to
man.
what happened.
What's the
Why
purpose?
keep the
Photography's
guys
not
away
a
from
crime,
you?
man. Take my picture all you
We're
want.
not- That's cool. What's the purpose?
Photography's not a crime. Leave us alone, man.
Why
Well,
only
leave
Bottom
us
line,
alone.
man,
This
leave
is
us
a
alone.
word.
This is a
I didn't
business.
come up
Hey,
to you. Listen,
This
hold on,
is a
hold on, hold
word.
on.
Just leave us
Hold
alone.
on, stand by, stand by.
you guys
I
came
didn't
here
come up
already,
to
right?
anybody who started shoving a camera
But
in
might
their
as well,
faces
bro.
and
This is
bothering you
harassment. But bro. you guys You've came been
guys.
harassing
Say
for
a
a
word
while.
to anybody here, man.
You've been
You guys
harassing,
don't-
taking
you
We
guys
pictures.
didn't
anything.
we didn't say a word. That's not harassment. Photography is not harassment, man.
Why'd you guys do
What's
to anybody
somewhere else?
else?
Doesn't matter.
I'm gonna tell you like
What's
this.
up,
I'm
Calm
gonna tell you.
down,
I'm gonna just say it like
calm
this.
down, man, calm
We
down.
don't want to be
Now you're
photographers.
back.
You guys
We don't
are
want
on fire.
to. We don't
film
want.
like that?
I don't.
You can film like that?
Yeah.
The thing is, I don't want you taking pictures of me.
I know, man. I'm
I
sorry,
don't
man.
want you
but
to.
Your feelings
But-
don't trump our rights, man. I'm sorry.
But it doesn't matter. I'm just letting you know.
I know.
What
I know.
what
I
I
understand.
feel. And we don't like that.
Just like you
So,
guys are taking pictures.
Yeah,
of me,
whatever-
my camera,
whatever
man.
you do,
We don't go to your house.
We're
filming
This
you.
is your house,
safety
man.
now.
This is the place
Where
of
you doing
business.
it?
No,
We're
we
doing
don't
an
go to your
investigation, bro.
everything,
We're doing an investigation. That's all
everything
you
you
have to
do,
know,
there's
man.
gonna be a reaction to it.
To do
And we
investigation,
just
you
reacting
need
to
to
it.
sue.
You
Hey,
have to react
this
to
is
it.
investigation.
Everybody could
Okay.
be civil here, bro.
You can talk to the
Everybody
owner.
could be civil and just mind your own business, and there wouldn't be
This
a
is our
problem, dude.
business.
What?
That's why
Second
we're
time?
here.
We
First
work
time
here.
I
At
agree
least
with
stop
you.
This
putting
is
it
not
in that
being
fat
civil.
ass
This is
right there.
attacking
All we
people
doing
on
is
the sidewalk.
This guy's
cool.
doing it.
Fuck that
Yeah.
guy. You're cool. I don't like that fat
Last
ass.
time,
Hey, man,
I
that's
saved
cool,
you
man.
from the
We're
other
not here
guy.
to disrespect each
Look
other,
at
man.
you
We're not
again.
here to
You
cause
zoom at me all
problems,
you
bro.
want. You're a bitch.
Look, dude, we're not here
No,
to
not
cause
you,
problems,
him,
dude.
him. You're cool. I don't like that guy.
Hey, man.
You're not here to cause
The
problems.
point is that
What are you
photography
doing?
is not a crime, guys.
I know.
You gotta
Hey,
remember.
that's not
When
understand
the
it.
cops
You
pull
guys
you-
came
hey,
here
listen to
already,
this,
though,
bro.
right?
When the cops pull you guys over, you have the right to pull out your phone
Yeah.
and film them
Yeah.
and
Oh,
capture
yeah.
that interaction
Yeah,
for your
yeah,
evidence.
yeah, but why-
Because you already know how they
What are we
fucking
under
act.
investigation for? You guys done right here though? I mean, you don't take that long recording, do you?
What's that?
You recording and you go on to the next building, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
People
no,
are trying to
we're
do
gonna sit
business
all
right
day,
here.
man. I mean,
You're
it's not
disrupting
like
the
we're just here to
Yeah,
investigate you guys,
Well,
man.
this is the second time you came.
Yeah,
From
we
what I
will.
know.
Huh?
Sure, you know? You came here already twice. This will be the second
I've
time
never
you
been
came.
here
Or probably
before,
the
man.
fat guy has.
I don't know.
And we
This
save
is
it.
that
Look,
motherfucker.
another, he take a picture.
Yeah, you
to
act
the
like
rest of
that
the
'cause the
street.
cameras here, bro.
Look, he said we were doing an investigation.
No, you're
and
cool,
he
you're
was
cool.
right.
Fuck
You
that
guys
guy,
are
though.
like wildfire, man. There's no
No,
need for that,
it's not
man.
like that. Last time they called me.
Who
Last
called
time,
you?
the owners from
nobody
you guys.
touched you guys.
They said they're gonna
Nobody's
make a story on
The
YouTube.
owner?
Yes.
There's no
They
owners.
give me a
dude.
number.
We
Yes.
are independent journalists.
No,
There's
no.
no owners
It's
here,
not like
man.
that. Look,
Whoever
it
called
was-
you was playing games with
listen,
you.
Listen, the guys, they're
Whoever
gonna
called
beat 'em
you is
up
playing
this guy.
games with you.
I
Don't
come
believe
out.
them, man.
Listen.
Don't believe them. Hey,
Yeah, don't
What's
believe
this
it.
for,
You
though?
guys show up and then the phone call and don't believe
hey,
it.
What is
don't,
it
hey,
for?
don't believe it, man.
We
They're
don't call
playing
police,
games with
we're
you.
not bitches.
Yeah,
They're playing games
We
with
don't
Look
you.
what
call
you did now.
police. We don't call police.
Hey, you guys have a good day, man.
Yeah,
It's
we're
all
not-
good, man.
we never call police. What the fuck? Call police. You
They call the cops on us right here, bro.
That's
J and
them.
M.
That's them. I
Yeah.
don't call cops. Fuck police.
That's
J&M
right, man.
and
That's
this
right.
guy.
That's right, man. You guys have a good day.
Yeah, yeah.
Right on, guys. Right on.
You laughing, bro, but next thing's different story,
Yeah,
homie.
yeah.
So the thing is with them is,
No, they just got nervous that we were filming, just like you guys, you know?
Every week I'll be here, dude.
Hey, man, we're not hiding nothing.
Luis,
man.
mira cómo está el puto cagando el palo. Que para la otra semana va a volver. Nos está cucando. Dile que no se. No, tú sabes, tú sabes.
que tú trabajas por
I'm
él.
only here to investigate
Okay,
what's
be here
gonna
next
happen,
week.
what happened today, man.
You work for him or
Huh?
you work for him? Or
No, 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 no. We're all independent, man.
So we need two guys to do an independent story. Or?
Anybody can do news stories, man. You could look when you go on social media, bro. When you go on Instagram or you post a story about something, you automatically you become a media because you're putting
But
out
that's on
you're putting out a
attention
story
too,
for
but I
people
mean,
to see.
if you're making it bad for the business over
No,
here,
no, no. We're not trying to
I mean,
disrespect nobody,
this right
man.
here is making it where they could sue you personally for
Hey.
disrupting their business,
No,
my
no,
friend.
no. We're not here to cross the line, man.
Last time
Nobody's
we
crossing the
come-
line.
I know.
here.
Last
That's why I
time-
showed you who I am because I'm not hiding nothing,
Last
dude.
time I
Look.
was working and some guys wanted to beat this guy. I come out and I tell him, hey, leave this guy alone. Right or wrong? I tell him, leave him alone. And look how he's acting. I came nicely to pick up my mail. I talked to you. I talked to him. No one talked to me. I said, what the fuck?
Yeah.
See,
But you
that-
got to understand that we're not under
I mean-
obligation
I mean,
to have to
if-
answer questions.
I mean,
man.
if y'all want to do better investigations, you should be investigating the crooked stuff that's going on with
Oh,
the
yeah.
people
Look at
that
this.
pulled over
We
for
do,
nothing.
man. We do. We
You
do
think
a
you're
lot
dealing-
of different
you're dealing with the
journalism,
people that
man.
understand.
Yeah, we
If
do
you're
a
dealing
lot
with
of,
the gang
and most
people
of it
and
is
talking
against the
to you like
government.
that,
though,
they
man.
would do something to you guys. But
Yeah.
we're
We
not
do a
like
lot
that.
of accountability, and most of it is against the government, dude. dude. It's not about about you guys, you know. He just told me the situation that happened. I said, well, let's go investigate it, you know. But yeah, you guys came out like wildfire,
But I mean,
you know, getting all loud and
nobody's
stuff,
touching
you know.
Nobody's getting loud.
Did I came loud? I came pick
No,
up the
you came
mail. I
nice.
say hello.
Pero la cosa es que no tenemos que explicar
Entonces,
nada.
look
It's
at
not the
him.
law.
Excuse-
No hay ley. No hay ley que
Pero
diga
mira,
que yo tengo que
guacha,
explicarte.
escucha esto. Mira
You
cómo
know.
está este vato. Grábelo y grábelo.
Yeah, it's because
Una gente se molesta, güey.
I don't know.
Okay. Why he's gonna go inside? Hey, don't be aggressive like that, bro. We come with respect. Okay. Since the beginning, I come nicely. Talk to you.
Good, man.
Perfect.
You guys are good.
And
It's about respect. It's not about you guys can do all you want, but you guys gotta respect the building.
Hey, man, just like you guys gotta respect us, man.
Alright,
Look
you
at
guys
how
take
everybody
pictures.
came out with
You
the
guys taking
phones
pictures?
and...
well, how you guys are? With the camera taking pictures of me?
The thing is que yo no llegué a meter la cámara en tu cara
Ah,
así.
desde que yo
You're
llegué
right
ahí,
here, man.
mira, desde que yo empecé a caminar ahí, empezaste a
I'm
sacar...
disrespecting you by
No,
walking up
mira.
and going like this. Who are you?
I'm done. I'm done.
That's very
I was
disrespectful.
coming from there. You pointed the camera at me, him too.
Anything I can
Why?
see from public, I can film, man. Tienes que emprender. Si estás en público, puedes grabar lo que puedes saber.
Get more attention on media, man. They're trying to get more
I'll see you
ratings.
guys next
You're
week.
in public, you can record, man.
I'll see you next week. Have a
All right, man, later. All right, later.
See how easy it is? You don't want to take pictures? Just go inside. See that?
You see, you gotta de-escalate it, man, because these guys are like wildfire.